The dog is barking at me. The dog is barking at me.
She is watering the plants in the garden. She is watering the plants in the garden.
He is carrying a heavy box upstairs. He is carrying a heavy box upstairs.
The children are playing in the park. The children are playing in the park. The cat is hiding under the table. The cat is hiding under the table. I am waiting for the bus. I am waiting for the bus. The teacher is writing on the board. The teacher is writing on the board. They are eating lunch together. They are eating lunch together. The bird is sitting on the fence. The bird is sitting on the fence.
She is looking for her keys. She is looking for her keys.
He is fixing his bicycle. He is fixing his bicycle. The rain is falling heavily outside. The rain is falling heavily outside. The boy is tying his shoes. The boy is tying his shoes. We are cleaning the kitchen. We are cleaning the kitchen. The phone is ringing in the other room. The phone is ringing in the other room.
She is reading a book by the window. She is reading a book by the window.
The man is walking his dog.
The girl is drawing a picture. The girl is drawing a picture.
The train is arriving at the station. The train is arriving at the station. He is washing his car. He is washing his car. The store is closing soon. The store is closing soon. The horse is running across the field. The horse is running across the field. She is folding the laundry. She is folding the laundry. The boy is catching a ball. The boy is catching a ball. The sun is shining brightly today. The sun is shining brightly today. The family is having dinner together. The family is having dinner together. The woman is talking on her phone. The woman is talking on her phone. Learn English with Thai. Learn English with Thai.